Today, I am presenting the Motor Crash characters. Okay, so the first one is the main character. I put two faces on it. Very cool. Next is the wave. It's really different from the original. This one is the spider, and it's also hard to make the same pattern, right? This one is the robot. I don't know, last time I just get hardened because I need 4 pieces. This one is the UFO. This one is the doll, which is I made a version of it. Not the. This one is this one I forgot. It's the jetpack. It's very slight, I think, and it's very cool. This one is the ship, which is hard to make. And that's all. Bye.